guys, welcome. So in today's video, it's just a simple video. I'm just going to show you how to do the Khloe Kardashian cookie jars. So all you need is a cookie jar. Mine is from IKEA. It's $5 and I think 99 cents. And your favorite cookie. So I'll be anything. Khloe Kardashian usually use Oreos. And the longer one, I think that's Lady Finger or something. Those are the things she usually used for her cookie jar sport. Anything as long as you eat it and it's your favorite. So you won't waste any food. That's the point. So for me, I'm going to use one of my favorite cookies, the chocolate hazelnut from Trader Joe's. It's simple. You just have to do a circular, like you just have to put your cookies on a circular motion, outer, meaning you don't have to put something in the middle. Well, it's hard for me to explain, so I'll just open the box. Obviously, you have to open your box. And if you want, you can smell. Oh my god. And this is what my cookie looks like. It's not that uniform as Oreos, but I love it. And I'm just going to do my best to recreate Khloe Kardashian's cookie jar as much as I want to, but I don't think it will be that prettier because as you can see, the cookies are not that formed perfectly, but we'll see. It's not that perfect, but I'm going to arrange it because I'm the one who's filming this on my own, and I'm using my other hand to do the cookies and to show you how to do it. So I'm gonna need my both hands to like kind of arrange it, and hopefully I can do it. Because the cookies are not that formed like in a perfect circle, but then hey, it's fine because you're gonna eat it anyway. It's kind of look cute because they're organized like that. And I did try my best, but they're slanting because of their disformed circle. I don't know how you call it, but yeah, they're disformed. And the concept is you just have to put it like this. You don't have to put anything on the middle, just the outer part. You have to go like, you have to create a donut. Maybe that's the best way to do it. You have to create a donut with a hole in the middle. So that's it. And then I'm going to put the lid. This is an airtight lid, so it will stay fresh. So that's it for my Khloe Kardashian style of cookie jar. Hope you like this video.